German is easy.
Wie geht es Ihnen?
Questions and answers in German. How to say "How are you" in German. Useful words you should know. Lesson 40. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. You can support the channel. Financial details can be found in the description of this video. I can't do it without you. Thanks in advance. How do you ask, "How are you?" Questions and answers in German. Great.
Prima.
Well.
Gut.
It's going okay.
Es geht.
So good.
So gut.
Very good.
Sehr gut.
Not so good.
Nicht so gut.
Bad.
Schlecht.
Terrible.
Furchtbar.
Oh well.
Na ja.
No longer.
Nicht mehr.
Dialogue 1.
Guten Tag, Frau Kramer. Wie geht es Ihnen?
Hello, Ms. Kramer. How are you?
Gut, danke, Frau Schulz. Und Ihnen?
Good, thank you, Ms. Schultz. And you?
Sehr gut, danke.
Very good, thank you.
Das freut mich.
That makes me happy. Dialogue 2.
Guten Abend, Herr Muller. Wie geht's?
Good evening, Mr. Muller. How are you?
Ausgezeichnet. Vielen Dank, Herr Scholz. Und Ihnen?
Excellent. Thank you, Mr. Scholz. And you?
Na ja, es geht.
Well, it's okay. Dialogue 3.
Guten Morgen, Herr Koch. Wie geht es Ihnen heute?
Good morning, Sir Koch. How are you today?
Nicht so gut, Frau Schulz. Und Ihnen?
Not so good, Ms. Schultz. And you?
Danke. Es geht.
Thanks. It's going okay.